This is a final video to fix SCRCPY crashing after opening. Are you tired of launching SCRCPY only to see it close instantly? Many users face this problem because the app sometimes conflicts with outdated drivers or missing permissions on your computer. You might have seen other solutions on YouTube or social media, but they are full of long steps and confusing commands that are hard to follow. On Rexist, I have a secret easy trick that fixes this crash in just a few clicks without touching complicated settings. If you want, I can make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly what to do. Comment below if you want that guide, and you'll be able to run SCRCPY smoothly every time.